You do feel some hesitation during the speaking with someone, so I would like to give some good suggestion, good ideas. So if you do practice every day and in front of your seniors, you are unable to express your thought. This is the meaningful idea, and I'm giving you some good suggestion, good solution as well. So it's depend only ourselves. We must not thinking we do some mistake, we do some uncomfortable way, we can't express our thought in front of our seniors as well as in front of our juniors. So we are human, we think about ourselves, we have knowledge, we have creativity, as well as we are doing crucial role play in our life. It is a also short life, and we must think we have knowledge, we can express our thought easily, appropriately, and with continuity. We must not think we are not aware, we don't do anything, we do some mistake. So mistake also, it is the part of learning, but we must be careful towards on our aim, towards on our object. Everyone do any some creativity, some activity every single day. And if he people, they have learned any work, any business, so they do their work with continuity, with immediately, as well as quietly, in good way, with proper method. Then they do their work with honorably, with respectfully. So that's why those are good person in their life. They had any good suggestion, good command, and good Christian role play in our life. I my mind was not prepared for making video, but that's why I my children, she is doing any different something. We can frame any few sentence based on our daily life. This is the also best method for enhance this skill. Everyone has curious towards on our English, so that's why we are able to do, otherwise we are unable to do. It's depending on we are it depend only us. You heard me right, you heard me right way and the right method. So if you talk about me, I was unable to express my thought also single word. I know my condition, my stage, how I rest. I am not. I don't. I have idea. How can we do all these things? We do some difficulties we face during the short of period, during the long of period. We do some pronunciation mistake. Any few students, few English learners people, English learners students, they do also some mistake, but we can ignore them. If we have ignored once, so next time, twice a time, we will be learn gradually and eventually. Moreover, in order to we do this work immediately, quickly, and quietly, so this is the also best method for doing any different something in our life. Life is life, so we must be realize every time is precious, every moment is precious, because we do this work and then we can't get success short period of time. If we do any work with curiosity, with creativity, so that's why we will be achieve success. We have a discipline room, discipline, time, and short period of time, within 1 month, within 2 months, we can't do at all work. It takes time, so that's why we are here. You heard me right. Everything is easy, but we will have to give some effort. If you are speaking every single day, you are spending only 2 3 minutes and then we can speak 2 minutes in ourselves, and we can make also some sentence. Today I swept my home, and then I cooked my breakfast, then I served my family, then today I cooked bitter gourd, and it was also very tasty curry, and I ate that curry. It was also, it gives us our blood, uh, should be purified with this curry. We can make some sentence, and without food we can't live in this earth. So, and my children, they do some activity, we can make all also some sentence based on this routine, that routine we apply this method. And I'm sitting here, I'm sitting on the chair, I like to, I'm foodie person, means you can make also some sentence. I'm not foodie person, I don't eat much more uh, any foodie items. We must be avoid, this is not good for our inside body as well as our outside body. And if you people, they are suffering any disease, so they have this karma, so we must be understand all these thoughts. We can do some good performers, and we can make some sentence related of speaking English. If we want to do continue this journey, so we will have to make some sentence related of this era, this environment. So this is the also, we can fulfill our desires or at all. We can make also some sentence based on this critical situation, critical condition. So all those thoughts, it gives us any good impression. We must not think this is not good for our this time, that time, so it's not good. We must be realize, we must be understand value of time, value of at all education. So all children, those are good in their life, they had done so many work in their daily routine. So everyone has any different type of wisdom, and they are able to express their thought easily and with creativity, with curiosity. And we are determined towards honor goal, towards honor faith or personality as well. We want to growing, we want to growing every single day. So then we will have to give some effort, some rule and regulation. That's why we will be continue this journey. We can do some advertisement, so every people, they do any good work, and we have any specific desire, so we are able to express all those thoughts, all those thoughts. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. You are my lovely audience, I need your support. So thank you guys.